Welcome everyone. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Many employees are already using unauthorized AI tools at work, creating what experts call the biggest shadow tech crisis since the early days of cloud computing. First things first, what exactly do we mean by shadow AI?
Shadow AI is when employees use AI tools, things like chatbots, resume screeners, or forecasting assistants, without official approval or oversight. It's similar to what we saw years ago with Shadow IT, when teams adopted unapproved SaaS apps. The idea is the same. People want to get their jobs done faster, so they turn to whatever tool is within reach.
So it's not necessarily done with bad intentions?
Not at all. Most of the time, it's about productivity and creativity. But the danger is that sensitive data ends up in tools that aren't secure or compliant. That's when small shortcuts can lead to very big risks.
Let's break those risks down. What are the biggest ones businesses should be aware of?
Well, there are a few major categories. Security and privacy breaches. Data can leak into third-party servers. Compliance violations, especially in regulated industries like healthcare or finance. Hallucinations. AI giving confident but false answers, which can derail important decisions. Fragmentation, when every department runs its own AI tools, you get data silos, duplicated costs, and inconsistent insights. And of course, trust issues. If customers or stakeholders realize decisions are based on unsanctioned AI, credibility can collapse quickly.
So it's a hidden problem with very visible consequences.
Exactly.
And how can companies get ahead of this before it gets out of hand? It comes down to providing the right foundation. AI has to sit at the core of the business, not on the sidelines.
That means embedding AI into the main digital environment where processes and data already live. From there, organizations need governance, clear rules on what's safe, approved, and validated. Education, showing employees why shadow tools are risky and how to use official ones confidently. Future-ready tools, accessible, low-code, all-in-one platforms that make experimentation possible without going outside the walls. And centralized digitalization.
So AI works off unified data instead of scattered fragments. So the answer isn't banning AI, it's giving people the right AI. So what does it look like when companies get this right?
It looks like trusted business AI. That's when AI is built directly into the business platform, so employees don't need workarounds. Data stays secure, compliance is respected, and insights are explainable and reliable. At the same time, employees still have room to innovate, but inside safe boundaries.
That sounds like a much stronger foundation.
It is. Business AI turns what could have been a liability into a strategic advantage.
So the real takeaway is this: shadow AI isn't a failure of technology, it's a failure of governance and enablement. Employees want AI. Leaders need to channel that demand in the right direction. And when they do, AI becomes a trusted partner instead of a hidden risk.
And that's the key takeaway. This isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. The future belongs to organizations that can harness AI's potential while maintaining trust and control. The numbers don't lie. Trusted AI isn't just safer, it's better for business. Well said. If you're ready to move from shadow AI to trusted business AI, explore how CloudOffix can help unify your business processes and deliver AI that actually works for you.
But here's the big question: how does CloudOffix actually achieve this? What makes it different from other platforms trying to tackle the same problem?
Great question. The key is that CloudOffix doesn't treat AI as an add-on or a separate tool. It's embedded directly into the platform where everyday business processes already live. Sales, marketing, HR, customer service, projects, operations. Instead of forcing employees to jump between scattered apps or paste data into risky third-party tools, they can access AI where they're already working. So it's not about layering AI on top, it's about weaving it into the core of the workflow. And because everything runs on a unified data environment, you eliminate silos. That means the AI is smarter, more context-aware, and more accurate. Security is built in too. Data doesn't travel to unknown servers. It stays within the company's environment, which is a huge factor for compliance and trust.
And what about flexibility? Because every business has its own unique challenges.
That's where CloudOffix's low-code total AI framework comes in. Companies can customize assistants, workflows, and dashboards without needing heavy development cycles. It's adaptable but still centrally governed, so you get innovation without chaos.
So, to wrap things up, shadow AI isn't just about technology. It's about governance, culture, and most of all, trust. People want to use AI, and they'll find a way. The question for businesses is, will it happen in the shadows, or will you create a safe, unified, and transparent environment where AI becomes a real advantage? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, keep looking for smarter, safer, and more confident ways to work in the age of AI.